Hello traders, today we will discuss about some of the stocks which may perform in the coming days, means next week. So first stock, as everybody know, it is HDFC Bank. HDFC Bank, it is ready to cross its 52-week high. Okay, the chart is looking very good, it is very strong. Today, in spite of so much of sideways movement or some, as even we can say Bank Nifty was under pressure, but still it outperformed. Okay, and it has given closing above recent the resistance point. Now if you see, the 52-week high level is its recent 52-week level is, that is 1642. Okay, so if you see, HDFC Bank is ready to make its fresh 52-week high. That's what I can see from the chart. It is looking very good, very bullish. Okay, and also there was some good news about this stock, so definitely track this stock. So the support level, the stock should not go below today's low point, which is, let's say, 1570 to 1575. Okay, so this is looking very good. Then we can see that on other day we discussed about Nifty Auto. We were sure that it is again going to go up. Okay, so I told you the reason, that it has tested the breakout level, okay, of this trend line, and even we told that there is this pole and flag breakout. So similar thing has happened. Okay, so now I think again it is ready to go up further. Okay, yes, today I think you saw M&M performed very well. Even Maruti did very well. So these two are heavyweights in the auto sector. So you can say after so many days, so much of consolidation. Okay, definitely you can see. Just I will delete all this stuff. After so many days, you can see this was the first good green candle and this is the second green candle. Okay, now I think it is ready to go big. In no time it can touch the levels of maybe 840. Okay, so please track this stock. It is looking very good, very bullish. So support, again it comes out to be 760 level. 760 level is the crucial breakout point which we have identified, and that is the level which will act as strong support in the coming days. So M&M is looking very good in the coming days. Even to that matter, Maruti is also looking very, very good. Okay, you can watch out for Maruti also. Other than this, Nifty Pharma, we expected Nifty Pharma to go up, but somehow today it has underperformed. But I think it is near support levels. So let's see if it holds the EMA 50, which it has taken support. Okay. One thing I would like to tell here is, some of the stocks or some of the index, they respect EMA 50 also. So this pharma index has respected EMA 50, means the price action is making it to take support near that level. Okay, and even it has closed very near to EMA 20, which you can see on the chart. The blue color line is for EMA 20. Okay, yes, and if you see the other stock, that is Tech Mahindra, see, this was expected. This was expected that the Tech Mahindra is definitely going to outperform and it will close. It is going to do well in the coming days as well. So keep this stock on the radar. Okay. So if the support level should be definitely around 860 to 870 levels. If the support level holds, then the stock can outperform in the coming days. Okay. So keep this stock also on the radar, because it is entering its 52-week high or lifetime high level. So the stock can again give you easily 4%, 5%, something like that. So this also can be kept on the radar. Okay. Yes.